Point Depressant, PPD, for crude oil is a crucial additive designed to improve the flowability of crude oil at low temperatures by preventing wax crystallization. Crude oil, especially waxy crudes, contains paraffinic hydrocarbons, waxes, that tend to solidify and form large crystals at low temperatures, which can increase the viscosity of the oil and lead to operational issues such as flow blockages in pipelines, storage tanks, and transportation systems. PPDs modify the crystallization behavior of these waxes, ensuring that the crude oil remains fluid even in cold conditions. Benefits of Point Depressants in crude oil: enhanced flowability. PPDs ensure that crude oil remains fluid at lower temperatures, making it easier to transport through pipelines, load into tankers, or store in tanks without the risk of solidification. Reduced energy costs. By keeping the oil fluid at low temperatures, PPDs can reduce the need for additional heating during storage or transportation, thereby lowering energy costs. Prevention of blockages. PPDs prevent the formation of large wax crystals that can cause blockages in pipelines, valves, and pumps. This helps avoid operational downtime and the associated costs of maintenance and repairs. Improved operational efficiency. In cold climates or during winter operations, PPDs ensure continuous flow and minimize the risk of disruptions, making crude oil transport and handling more efficient. Applications of Point Depressants for crude oil pipeline transportation. PPDs are crucial for maintaining the flow of crude oil through pipelines, especially in colder regions where the temperature can drop below the pour point of the oil. By preventing wax formation, PPDs ensure uninterrupted transport. Offshore oil production. In offshore oil fields, where crude oil is exposed to cold seawater during production and transport, PPDs help maintain the oil's fluidity. This is essential for subsea pipelines and transportation to shore. Refineries. PPDs are sometimes used in refineries to prevent wax buildup in crude oil feedstocks. This helps ensure consistent flow through processing units and reduces maintenance costs associated with wax removal. Limitations and considerations. Oil composition sensitivity. The effectiveness of a PPD depends on the composition of the crude oil. Different crude oils have varying wax contents, molecular structures, and chemical properties, which means the PPD must be tailored to each specific crude type. Concentration optimization. The dosage of PPD required to achieve the desired pour point reduction can vary depending on the type and amount of wax present in the crude. Overuse or underuse can affect the performance, so careful testing is needed to determine the optimal concentration.